written, can't read my mind. I'm undefined. I'm just beginning, the pen's in my hand, ending unplanned. Staring at the blank page before you, open up the dirty window, let the sun illuminate the words that you could not find. Reach in the distance, almost taste it, visions, feel the rain on your skin. No one else can feel, only you can let it in. No one else can speak the words on your lips, words unspoken. Live your life with arms wide open. Today is where your book begins, still unwritten. Yeah. Oh, I break tradition. Sometimes my tries are outside the line. We've been conditioned to not make mistakes, but I can't live that way. Oh. Staring at the for you, open up the dirty window, let the sun illuminate